How to save an email attachment to desktop. Here I have opened or already opened my Gmail, and here open up the attachment which you want to save it in your desktop. So here is the attachment that I would like to save it in my desktop. So first of all, you have to download the attachment. So click on download icon. Once the attachment has been downloaded, you can open this up in any folder, or you can go to your downloads from your device. Here go to downloads, and here is the attachment that I have downloaded recently. Now in order to add this to your desktop, all you can do is simply copy and paste it. Right click on it and then go to copy. Once you have copied this attachment, you can close this, navigate to your desktop and simply paste it right here. And there you go, this attachment has been now added to my desktop. So that's how you can save an attachment or email attachment to a desktop. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.